Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on how to enable Tap to show full notifications on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. In Settings, tap Notifications. Scroll down the notification settings and tap the toggle to the right of Tap to show full notification to enable and disable the setting. When the toggle is green, your watch will show full notifications. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.